Mulanda anmai wang nai teman mulana yilak ba teniu hadagi bu yen hibak mai teman taurigi kawang bada menyong pha hadabai jam sa yilak ba teman online service ma ausine join niming nigi mulanda mong mai yanang kawang yilak ba mulanda moi man pha tenia hada 4 October teman KBBD calendar ma ngobu kie teman pumainok tangsamni ngonang youth day hada ba ni ma ausine hada ba online de yilak pa sai bu join niming nigi mong mai yanang teniu teman jing 2 minute tam ya yang kawang ngau ma bu hibak law yang ngau lak yang mai so ko noi Bible ma bu ka na cha yan ya yang teman youth lan da hada ba youth day ma temanu kawang mong hambu aniu pumai no kai jing pan hayang chat nyu mong hambu chila lan ne meng lak sing nei aniu haki bu voi ba ne teman chong ha u ja ga kawang ngau ma taw ha ga ngau lak sing ne tam nang da ko tini teman ba taw ngau hu ba Joshua today tini bu Joshua sa ga ya yang taw ha gi ngau hu nang taw khai taw ai teman phai Joshua ayan ma bu ha taw ayan ma ha ga ya yang ngau hu nang hama teman phai lam voi lak sing nei Joshua chapter 1 verse 1 2 and 3 hadabai a new verse 5 for escape na meng hadagi ilak hayang bu hadaw tini bu topic a Joshua life ma haga teman generally Joshua ayan na layang haga ngau lak sing nei tam nang. After the death of Moses, the servant of the Lord, it came to pass that the Lord spoke to Joshua, the son of Nun, who was also the assistant of Moses, saying, Moses, my servant, is dead. Now, therefore, arise and go over this Jordan, you and all these people, to the land which I am giving to them, the children of Israel. Every place that the sole of your foot will tread upon, I have given to you, as I have said to Moses. Verse 5 ma. Now no man shall be able to stand before you all the days of your life. As I was with Moses, so I will be with you. I will not leave you nor forsake you. Sha hadu ki ai kawang ai hadu Joshua ngau hadu ngonang ta goi Joshua ayan ma man ha ngau lak ama kawang ngau man dai ba toi so no yu bi bak ya kan Hallelujah yungwan ba kawang ni nyu yong chine nang na manyong phanang teniu hada ba online service ma teman tangsham ausine join ni meng ni ge teman mulan nang mabu mohiman tau ok lak nei wangdang kawang dang ai teman chudei kan hemong e petamba hayang nang ai teman dang ngau ba sama wang yang ngau lak pa nang sausan ba yen hayang ai chalak sine ausine join ni meng ni ge mulan chudei kan hemong e petam phau sha hado yen hibak nang na phan phai nang mabu wong yu Nazareth Jesus mun ma yu po yu pungau la ne se uba nang mo yo Amen. Sha iyang buki Joshua ayan na teman chamalaha. So let us look at life of Joshua. So who is this Joshua? How the Bible ma ihembu Joshua awishi sha teman laibanda. Joshua was a young leader of Israel, chosen by God to succeed his leader Moses or his master Moses, and to lead the people of Israel. Joshua Moses inan lay mune. Moses exchange ni menglak. Yeshigama Moses ngobu hadaw using the successor na paylak hadaw leader cha ngoyengi. So he was a young leader of Israel, Joshua. And I believe many of us we are familiar with this Joshua. No, hadaw Joshua ba taman familiar ni meng na sa tao tayo nang. Hama hadaw Joshua iya Moses nan lay ba nay liyingay bu Israel vui ba cha ngonang. But he was a young leader. Moses lungmay na meng deng agakao nga nyik kay vui yengi. Hayang boy Joshua ba lungmay ne man meng ba hadu ki e young leader now she hibak chana hadu ki vui ba chana ke ngoingi. And then he was chosen, Joshua was chosen to finish the unfinished tasks of his master. A master hadu Moses len yok bu hadu len lak chinai yesigama Moses angai da bu hadu tu show hadu leng lak chinai yesigama Moses leng yekem bu leng yok bu hadu tu leng lak chinai kawang li ngai bu hado Joshua ngonang cha gi inang. So hado Joshua ayan de levanda ima yong challenges face na mengingi a leader na meng man e yong challenges face na mengingi. So as a young leader Joshua has to face the pressure to lead these stubborn people. Hado Israel kadalan yong stubborn no imana hado ge yong mong jelebu yong mong new hado kadana ngoyang geno. They were obstinate and then stubborn people, the people of Israel. Mosaไปก้าวไงวันวันเดมุโมซายย่องอิสราเอลกาดาลันไปก้าวมาบุงันยายังไงก้าวงลำวุยังไงยาฉันลักกันยินวังหาตัวเหตุการณ์ยังไง they were like miracles after miracles in Moses incident no Mosesไปหาเรา Moses face เมียงมา incident มา they have to cross the Red Sea God parted them no อิมันหาเราอย่าง they were hungry God gave them food มานาพายังไง they were thirsty God gave them water from the rock haduge yasalak kawang haduge mosa bai kawang ingo nang ge sha haduge Israel ka dalan chi sha matuilang ge but then even after so much of miracles and all those great miracles haduge yasalak kanin wang hatuilang ya boy hado Israel ka dalan na mong yele no kawang na tung yilak pa yong stubborn ka dalan ngo ge like some of us no tamano hagengo nang kai after so much of like things that happened in our life still we couldn't believe haduge tamano ngo nang so as a young leader, Joshua faced this pressure to lead these people. Had a challenge, no matter how many times he tried to convince these people. You only convince them like Chine, you only imanda hagi convince them like Chine, Joshua, Ngangi, Yango Israel Katarana, you only now you jaibu Karana, Ngoyangi Israel Chatelia. Hadawa demanding you Chahagona. So now she hibang by Joshua, had a young Shangaka Hadagi. Nan pai, yen pan pai, wong lancha pai, hadagi voyenge. The other challenges that Joshua has to deal with was out of so many, mabu yoma, yongi significant naming with Joshua, yan mangibam, he defeated the city of Jericho. How do Jericho jingnu? How do Jericho city Joshua defeat naming? And then among the miracles or among the wonders in this Bible, the incident of Joshua is considered as one of the yong hado. Wong nang kawang yung yasalak tuning kanin wang tuling bu miracles chanang onang hada Joshua incident. So this Joshua has to face this city of Jericho. Hada ma oba iman hada we Jericho jing halak ne paye ba hawan kawang God directed Joshua with certain instruction tam payang kawang Joshua direction payang hada wa aniu hada Jericho jing halak jing na iman hada Jericho jing ne man ha ba haga jing ne haga round ne haga cycle ne meng hada ge kem nak jing ne direction payang hada direction ma hada instruction ma Joshua yang Israel voi balan iman yo ong hada kawang ngau chai haga follow ne meng ge hama tumane when we look at the city of Jericho was surrounded with two thick wall hado Jericho the scholars dan iman iwa Jericho the surrounding meng ba yong hado teman teni ngani context ma teman the Great Wall of China hado cheng example ya aulak hado Great Wall of China is China do nei ton muki ai Jericho jing nuo wall ni there were two walls the outer and the inner wall that surround the city of Jericho hado gi ngoyenge so the scholar says the scholar dan iman iwa the outer wall of Jericho is 2 feet thick and then 20 feet high. And then next to this outer wall was the inner wall. So the inner wall was again much more thicker than this outer wall. So the inner wall was 12 feet thick and then 30 feet high. No, yasalakay. Outer wall no hoy 2 feet. Hado gi jaibu wall ngo inge. But new inner wall ba new 12 feet yasalakay. Hado ge thick, hado jaibu mo 12 feet ngo inge and then 30 feet long. Hado wala Jericho jing na yang ngo bu wall. Hado wa Israel kaadala ne Israel nya bonglan hado Jericho ma voyang iman ne hado wall au ongai Jericho jing halak na ngai bu kai. Ma hasin ne yong ma hado Jericho jing hanga habu shi she benda because of obedience. Iman Joshua voyang ai Israel kaadala ne kawang ngau chayenge. Joshua kawang a power instruction kawang a power ngau lili e yong chayenge. Hega chayang e yong mai hado ki e kawang instruction the follow ne meng hado Jericho jingnu haenge ma hado ge Jericho jingnu hangnai ha bu shi she benda kawang ngau chai bu ka ya hado Jericho jingnu ha okenge. So one of the challenges that Joshua faced was to defeat this wall of Jericho. There was a great wall of the city Jericho. Hado wall ngoenge. In the same manner, even in our life, there are so many walls that is standing before us. No, teman si show man hoy tang shamlan. Nang si show ma si show ma teman bay. In every day of our life, we face so many challenges, so many walls that has to break down. No, teman in order to go through. How do you wall face ne meng? So what is your wall today? How do you challenge ne meng hunam? Like this Joshua dealing with this wall of Jericho. Even as we deal with so many walls, yo ngai tu mane awe yo ok bu tu mane lem yo ok bu wal tu man life ma tu mane dil ni meng na. So what are those walls in your life? Is it your sickness? Is it your personal problems, your relationship, or is it financial problems? Whatever. Nang life ma hadaw walangi si daw tani hadaw dong unang. So for Joshua, in order to break this wall, he has to follow the detailed instruction that God gave him. In the same manner, even in our life. Teman mo, if we follow Jesus, if we have God in our life, and if we follow His word, teman kawang out he kaksu follow ni mengama. Teman life mengoba hada wall, teman na face meng challenges. Hada lilia teman we can deal with it. We can somehow overcome and we can somehow break through all these walls in our life. Teman hada gi break ni meng oklak. Hada jingnia teman yo ong kawang ngau jalang mong kawang ng ate ang mo neu kawang hau bula ma teman kem mak bong konyak cilalan. Daw hada ihunang. If we don't have Jesus, if we don't have the Spirit of God in us, kawang yaha teman bayinanggama, if we don't follow in His instruction, then no matter how good our road seems to be, one day or the other, we surely will fail. Hado gingonang. Teman kawang yinanggama, teman lamay makim buki kem ngone kayang boy, nija yesigama nija temana hawlak. Yesigama teman da wal teman sisama wal baiklak. Hawanda teman kem yok pa, hado wal kay yok pa teman ngoklak. Hayang mo tuman hikawang mengok buniming ma, we can break through any kind of wall that stands before us. Just like this Joshua, there was a massive wall standing before him that surround the city of his enemy. But then Joshua was somehow able to break through this wall. Why? It is because he followed every detailed instruction that God has taught him to follow and to do. In the same manner, even in our life, if we have Jesus, if we walk with Jesus, no matter the wall that stands before us, no matter problems, the wall of sickness, the walls of failures, the wall of rejection, the wall of brokenness, whatever, the wall that your family face, no, nang hado gi ngon yok, teman hado overcome ni meng oklak, awa teman jisuwe kemya ba, awa teman kawang pengoya ba, hado gi etau teni bu, celalan be hado yuti ma hado gi ngau hunang. Hadaw yut dia nang jingne ling ngai bunyi ngona. Hadaw ni ma teman yo life ta cham start ni menga hayang tu manai wang nei community life teman bai ba. Nang personal life ma, jing personal life ma. Let us check the wall that we are facing right now. Is it the wall of your addiction? Nang you ha saying ba addiction ngona ga. Jessica ma now si now ya lam ma yemai ba pa sa ba addiction lam ngona ga. Nang gaming hadaw nang games ma. Jessica ma nang internet ma nang mobile addiction ni menga ngona ga. Hangi ba addiction ngona ge. That addiction is your wall. Hadaw nang nameng addiction hadaw nang mango hadaw wall ni meng nang. Hadaw wall break ni meng laki ni teman kawang na phalak bongbong teman kawang mengola bongbong. Kawang na ngaw yang teman kem lak bongbong. Hadaw gi daw hage ihunang. Now coming down to this life of Joshua in relation with his community, the scholars have so many like implication on this life of Joshua. Iman ibwa Joshua fulfills the first thing they see is Joshua was able to fulfill the tasks that his master failed to do. E master Moses ya Israel katalana Egypt kadok mabu voide Canaan kadok ngui ha sebu hayang bu Canaan kadok ngui tamba Mosa galiyenge. But it was Joshua who led his people to the promised land, to the land flowing with milk and honey. So in doing that, he fulfills the tasks that his master failed to do, even in our life today. Temano hadukiye. Teman leaders landa jamal. Tini bu konyak leaders landa teman jamal. Let us study. Let us look at their life. Naga leaders land, be it political leaders, social leaders, religious leaders, whatever. No, hangin na chiya boy. Allow NGOs mga leaders land chiya boy. Let us look at them once. Is there any area that they have failed to do till today? Teman pay ngo bu, teman share masya ngo bu, vui balan này, bukan mai failure lengi ngo ya. Iman này lead ni meng yok bukan ngo ya. I think it is you and me. Nang hayang ataw, how to fulfill ni meng lak chinya teman ngo. So the first thing we see in life of Joshua is Joshua was able to fulfill the tasks his master failed to do. Tahu hadaw teman konyak celalan ataw hadaw ihunang. Teman konyak vui balan này, emi mamu bang yang mu vui pay bu lungai ang lan vang yang ai nghe ngay ang lan vang yang ai vui pay bu yo ma show yang ngoi jing ngoya hadaw kan ngoi dam ka tingi ngai bu chila lan nang heng ataw ngorang แต่มันหาตัวงวยในงานอะไรอย่างโจชัวเรื่องบุกี้แต่มันในเรื่องอกหลักวงบองชาหาตัวอีหูนังฟังมา point มา and then the other thing we see in life of Joshua is Joshua was a warrior Joshua warrior hamba nào mấy này ngồi nghe nào mấy cha này ngồi nghe Joshua warrior ni mà Joshua hage vihok này nhạ bông này haga Israel nhạ bông này hage kem Israel army này kem Joshua hage warrior cha này haga nào mấy cha này ngồi nghe teman konya context mà yo nga thau nào mấy warrior teman phải hada wa sha apa nang teman mà yo nga relevant implication cha pai ok la hada warrior mà konya teman abu hibak ma apa hibak ma pu ba hibak ma lang sang phan này nọ teman sang ya ai ngọ bu chừng hạ ngọ bu chu hibak ma nào mấy lan da wa yo nga chừng mà e she nyam me hagi respect pha ang bu hada gi tini ngani bu chu ma who is this warrior today who is this now may today in our context teman context ma who is this now may in today's world konya kadok matini now may oishi it is not somebody who boss around like teman paksa khok yang chester hagi hep yang post ni meng boda now may ji tini bu context ma but those now may are somebody who is able to do something for our community religious lamma chia political lamma chia yesiga ma hang lo lamma chia konya kadok ma sha nyu ne chonglak bongbong chilalan nang hang ataw konya kadok ma hamba now may ne chonglak bongbong now may ne nang ngai lak bongbong hadaw now may tini ngani bu chuma lang sang phan ne kada tui ba da tini now may sa jinyek hayang bu konya kadok ching ne tui may leng lak bongbong kawang ang jing kawang tu si ada kasau ma hamba now may ne meng lak bongbong political lam nyu ma tui may leng ngai hamba now may ne ta dang ngau dang bai honesty bai hada gi ai leng lak bongbong social lam ba KU level ma yisiga ma KSU level ma alo ba level ma tamana ne yo ngai konya kadok ching nei tui mai leng bu chila lan ne nang meng lak bongbong tui mai leng bu student ne nang meng lak bongbong tui mai leng bu tangsham ne nang meng lak bongbong hama nak si teni ngani bu context ma nang da warrior sinjek bu oklak nang da now mai sinjek bu oklak da hada i hu nang teman konya chila lan da Joshua he was a now mai in our context now mai she ilak teman context ma Joshua Israel kadok ma now mai ne chong yang gi hadaw ki nang hayang taw konya kadok ma tini ngani bu shen ne kadok nu shawro tai bu chu ma nang hayang taw ba konya kadok ma naw mai ne chong la bong cha hadaw Joshua life ma ngi bu taman hadaw ki inang and then the other thing we see in life of Joshua is Joshua was a spy who sees success and victory in the midst of uncertainty Joshua a leadership manjun ba hadaw Jericho jing halak jing nei e voi ba e master mosai naw she pan mani cái shun yang ge spy ne meng lak ching nei har yu tau ching da survey ne meng ha dau Jericho city da lei lak ching nei cái shun yang ge ha dau yo ma 12 spy sent by Moses to spy the land of Jericho there were only 2 spies that came back with a positive response ha dau Jericho ching da spy ne meng ha da ge lei sho yang ai ha dau kada pan mani yo ma naw si pan mani shun mu yo ma ye bu yo ma Joshua ha yang kelap ni im ni nak si ai ha dau wa yo ngai mei bu ka dok yang hada ma ngobu ka ta la na teman ya ok la ka ja teman iman bai vi hok ma teman ok la ka ja hada gi positive hada iman nei hada gi answer ya yenge hayang bai rest of the spy came with very discouraging message no iman hada 10 spy iman ni bo yo ngai discourage ne meng la nyam bu ngau ya yenge hang i bu shi ma oh those people living in this city of Jericho are the warrior they are the soldiers hada gi ya salak mong shui lak ngau e yeng gi hang hadaw Jericho ko ching yo nga yong nang gi te man na yo ok lak yang ta hadaw edek na tameng ha sa yo nga discourage ne meng lak ngau hadaw gi the 10 spy iman hadaw gi ngau lan ameng ga ya yeng gi hayang boy there were only 2 spy that is as I said earlier Joshua and Caleb who came with very positive mentality or who came with very positive message and then they said that yes we can do the land is very fertile we can conquer no hadaw gi ok lak ja ja bungau amai phai ya yi ba hadaw spy ne Joshua meng yang gi hadaw aniu Joshua ngi ba they saw the success and victory in the midst of uncertainty no hadaw i ne yok bu ya sa lak hadaw yok bu chu ma ya san ya meng bu hadaw yok lak ya phan ma hadaw gi ngo ya ba Joshua ka le be ok lak ta ma ne hang jing ne ta man be yen ka wa ngo nang se iman hadaw gi ngau lan amai ya yi ngi hadaw gi e tini ngani bu chu ma mi ka dok mi na ka dok chen ne advance ne meng ne bu chen ne tai de bu mi alo ka dok nu shin ne phat te bo heng bu tani o tuman konya ka dok yo nge cheu si ja de bu ya phan cha ma ngonang tuman konya ka dok cheu ro tai yo bu ya phan cha ma ngonang hayang nge ma bu konya lu mai la na o sing bu tuman da hei yi bu ja ba hang ki ha dok konya voi la ka isa iman chu de mong sang bu ma nang นิวคนยักกาดกตมันจามเลยฮะชาจิลันจะคนยักจิลาลันตมันมาอาบุชมบามองจำนานยุหะเชยยังไงเราบาเกพุงงามไม่ป้าตายเนี่ยบูจูจามันตมันงอนังกาดกอยู่เช่นในพัดบูจูมาคนยักกระชางวยจงหลักอย่าพันมังงอนังฮาดกีมองยังหำหลักจูจามังงอนังให้ยังบูฮาดกีบูจูมาฮาดโจชัวเกล็บนี้จงบุกี้อิมยังไงบุกี้คนยักมองหำหลักในคนยักกาดกคนยักปูไม่นกคนยักจิงเชาลันคนยักจิงอยู่จิงฮาลิลีมองหำหลักในจงบุคนยักจิลาลันงอยเดี๋ยวทีนี้ฮาดตรงหูนังฮาดจิลาลันในนังเมลักวงเดี๋ยวเมลักวงบงชาฮาดอีนังOther thing we see in life of Joshua is Joshua was a military leader who is not afraid of the giants or of the enemies. No, cha ibuki. Joshua is a military leader chane ngoyeng army ye voyenge. Hadauki etumanu ke voy bane mengla wong. Konyak jelalan konyak tangsemlan voy bane mengla wong bong. And then Joshua no hadam imangi bo. Joshua was a leader, no, leader like his master and a successor. Who even supersedes his master? No, Joshua he supersedes his master. Joshua master phải nói kem dâu ấy ngay bu, master phải siung sa master phải siung sa ngay bu leader này Joshua cái trong này because he fulfilled the tasks his master failed to do, even in the same manner. Còn nhắc cả dòng mà tin nhị ngọ bu vui balan apa aja lan iman yo mà tụi mày lưng nang, hay yang bu iman phải siung sa Semai saya leng laka nang hingang bune menggama tau hingang bune menggama nang hi pan pa bune menggama tau hi pan pa bune menggama konyak kadok jingnai konyak pumenok jingnai teman kadok teman chatheli jingnai naga kadok jingnai nang hayang tau kai tui me leng ok la aja tau kai haki mong yesu ba ngang bu chelala ni meng la bong bong yang. And then the last thing we see is hadau yo ongai teman telak point jang orang Joshua was not only a social or the other military leader, but he was also a teacher of the law and a prophet after God's own will. Kawang e mong bu ma kawang cheng bu vui ba ne Joshua ha ka chong ye konyak ka dong ma hamba na mai chong nang singai man balan chong nang sahab ang yong lan ma ngai nang minister emile ma ngai de gi hadau yo ma tani de ngoi kawang sing ngam ngai bulan ma ngonang ba sa taw mong ham nang ani ho ge ngi nang manyong pha nang hadau ba sin ye sa ani o tani ngai bu chilalan nang he ngai taw official ne meng ngai konyak vui ba ne meng ngai minister emile ne ngai ngai nang ngai kawang sing gai taw kawang sing ha hama naksi konyak pu meno konyak chanyu konyak kadok tenang he ngai taw gai tui mei ya san la kawang ngai ngai ka da mong bu tui mei leng ok lak nang ngonang kawang sing bu ma chong lak bong bong konyak chilalan teman nang no cha cha sin ne kadok nyu ma sing hai man ya bu ka cha sin ne chu dei man wang ngoi ngoi ya bu kawang yi sing ka ma hadaw cha chang cha ne meng lak taw gai tini bu hadaw ngau gai taw i hu bu kawang sing ha teman ne he ngai kawang sing bu ma to man chong ha cha i bu ke Joshua yan ma taw teman ne i hu ba who can be this Joshua today hadaw taw konyak chilalan ne i hu nang tini ngani bu chu ma konyak kadok ma nang he ngai taw Joshua ne meng lak bong bong he ngai hadaw ke Joshua vui bu ka ba tui mai he ngai ngau ma he ngai ta dang ngau dang ba i ha ga tui leng lak bong bong taw hadaw i hu nang let us be the Joshua of today's generation tini bu hadaw youth day ga ya taw message pa hu wa taman konyak chilalan ne pa hu wa let us be a Joshua of today's generation for our people, for our community. A Joshua who fulfills the tasks his master failed to do. A Joshua who was after God's own will. A leader who was able to succeed and who was able to do much better. Who was able to do the things his master failed to do. Hadagi bu voi ba chane teman meng ha o sha. Kawang ngau ga ye konyak chilalan da. Tini ngani bu chuma kawang mong hembu hayang kada ting lak bu Joshua ki nang hayang taw ngai ha o sa kawang ngau gai pongai dam nang au sine chai de ge mulan da kawang ngai moi man ba amen.